Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of investing and want to know how to buy iShares ETFs on Vanguard, you're in the right spot. iShares ETFs, managed by BlackRock, are popular for their low costs and diverse options, making them a great choice for building a balanced portfolio. Vanguard, on the other hand, is a user-friendly platform known for its straightforward tools and competitive fees, so it's an excellent place to make these purchases. First things first, make sure you have a Vanguard account. If you don't, head to the Vanguard website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Buy and Sell, or Trade, section. This is where the magic happens. Next, use the search bar to look up the specific iShares ETF you're interested in. For example, type in iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, if that's your target. Vanguard will pull up details like the current price, historical performance, and any associated fees. Take a moment to review this information. Always double-check that it aligns with your investment goals. Now, to place your order, select the ETF and choose your order type. You can go with a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set your own price. Enter the number of shares you want to buy, and don't forget to review the total cost, including any commissions, though Vanguard often keeps these minimal. Before you confirm, consider your overall strategy. Are you investing for the long term or looking for short-term gains? Also, keep an eye on market hours. Trades typically execute during regular trading times. Once you're ready, hit that Submit button, and you'll get a confirmation. That's it. You've just bought your iShares ETF on Vanguard. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your homework and consult a financial advisor if needed. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building those smart portfolios together. See you in the next video.